Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. Uh, in this video tutorial, we will learn about overloading a function and what's the mean of overloading a function. Uh, for example, if you have created a function to perform some operation on integer values, you may want to perform uh, same operation on uh, floating point values, and in order to do that you have to overload a function. So let's see an example. How can you overload a function? Let's see if I have created a function int with the return type of integer, and I am gonna name it as a sum, and it's gonna take two arguments of integer type int a int b. This function will return the sum of a and b, return a plus b. Now these arguments are of integer type, and this function will be called if we supply uh, to sum the integer arguments. But what if I want to perform the sum operation on floating point numbers? While in that case, this not gonna happen, and this gonna not work because this function only accepts integer arguments. Let's see an example, and cout sum 2, 3, 4 end line. If I run it, and it's gonna give me 6, and but if I change it 1.2 or 2.2 and 4.5, it's again gonna give us 6, because this value 2.2 will be converted after copying in A, and same gonna happen with this value, and only 2 gets passed here, and 4 gets passed here. In order to get the exact result, we have to overload over some function with a different return type and a different arguments type. For that, we have to rewrite it again, but with different return type and different argument types. This time we are going to make it return double of some function, and it's gonna accept double type A, double type B. Return A plus B. Now if I run our program, we will get the exact result 6.7, and that's it. And let's see if because we have passed 2.2, this is a double or floating point value. Compiler gonna see what type of value we have passed. This is some function. It first see this sum function who has the integer arguments, and it will skip it, leave it, and take a look at the other sum function. And here we have double or float type. You can also make it float, that's gonna be fine. In this way, and these values 2.2 and 4.5 are copied into A and B, and here we have performed our function and returned it. In this way you can overload as many time as you want this is some function or any other function that you have created. This is going to help you to perform the same task easily on different type of numbers. So I hope you like that video, and if it was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends.